I don't believe in taking right decision. I take decision and then make them right. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about this quote. This explanation based on this quote emphasizes the importance of action and adaptability over hesitation and perfectionism. It suggested that success doesn't come from always making the right decision at start, but from taking a decision confidently and then putting in the effort and determination to make it work. The speaker is conveying that rather than waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect choice, it's more effort to move forward with a decision and shape the outcome through perseverance, learning, and adjustment. It promotes taking responsibility and being proactive in achieving success even if the essential choice wasn't ideal. The quote reflects a mindset of confidence, responsibility, and resilience in decision making. In contrast, two different approaches to making decisions. First, waiting for the right decision, taking action first. First is waiting for the right decision. Some people are hesitant to act because they are waiting for the perfect choice or outcome. They spend a lot of time analyzing options, afraid of making a mistake. While this can be cautious, it may lead to missed opportunity due to overthinking or indecisions, often called analysis paralysis. Next is taking action first. The person who believes in taking decision and making them right values action over endless deliberation. They understand that no decision is perfect at outset. What makes a decision successful is not always the choice itself, but how you follow through on it. Once a decision is made, they commit to making the best of it through hard work, learning, and adapting challenges. Key concepts in the quote. First is action and ownership, learning and adaptation, confidence and resilience. First is action and ownership. By taking a decision, you show that you are willing to own the outcome, whether it turns out to be perfect or not. You take responsibility to make it work. Next is learning and adaptation. This mindset accepts that mistakes or challenges are part of the process. If a decision doesn't immediately lead to success, adjustments, learning, and persistence will help make it right. Next is confidence and resilience. People who live by the philosophy trust their ability to navigate uncertainty. Instead of fearing failure, they believe in their capacity to turn things around if necessary. Practical example. Imagine an entrepreneur who starts a business without knowing every detail of how it will succeed. They might face many challenges, from customer preferences to market competition. If they waited for the perfect conditions to start, they might never begin. Instead, they take the leap, make decisions, and then work to adapt, improve, and ultimately succeed by learning from their experiences. In short, this quote inspires action and confidence in one's ability to shape their own path. Even in the face of uncertainty, it's about progress, not perfection. Thanks for watching.